Hi guys, welcome to this video about the Intex 77-inch PureSpa portable bubble massage spa set and how it is or how it was holding up for the last 8 months. So I had it for 8 months. It was in full operation the whole time. It was not in winter. It was winter, but in Florida, of course, it's not winter like up to the north or something like that. No frost, no nothing. But it was colder, and we really enjoyed it. And we are moving to another location, and we found it was about time to sell it because it's 8 months now, and if I'm not wrong, there is a 1-year warranty on that. So I thought it's the perfect moment to sell it because the new owner will still have a couple of months of warranty left if there is something. The biggest risk is always if you deassemble and reassemble everything, and you never know, from transport or something like that. And so it's always nice to, if you buy something used, if you still have some warranty and it's still in pretty good shape actually. So let's start over with the video again from the beginning. Here you see the side and also inside. Unfortunately it's a little bit in the shade, not too much light, but I think you should be able to see that everything is in really good condition, really close to new. No spots, no damage, no nothing. It never had puncture, never was losing water, never was losing air, nothing like that. Of course, on the bottom side, even when it was all the time on top of these air bubble pad or whatsoever, it was somehow protected from the floor, and it was actually it was not sitting on the grass. It was on these pavers and protected with this pad, and it still got some stains. Here we see this pad, air bubble pad or whatsoever, and this is in pretty good condition, both sides, no problem. Also filtered, it's hard to see any stain, little bit of yellowish, but pretty good condition. Filter I had to replace. Here the cover sheet, also pretty good condition as well. There's just on the inside a little bit of stains. I don't know what it is actually. It's a little bit of mold or whatsoever, but it's not terribly bad. I have been trying to, if it smells, but it doesn't smell at all, so it's maybe more like a stain. You can see inside a little bit. It has been outside the whole time. It has been raining a lot, especially this winter, much more than usually, and I think it's hard to prevent any stains. Here the inflatable inside of the cover, same thing here. But also this cover, it was holding up pretty well. It was keeping the air inside. I think I just had to re-inflate one time, but maybe it was more because of the cold temperatures outside. So of course, when it's colder, then there's less air pressure. Also the central part actually with the operation display, and here, as you can see, the close-up, it looks pretty much like new. Also the seals, or also here underneath, almost like new after cleaning a little bit. And that's a really positive thing. I'm really surprised and positive side. Also these connections, they were never leaking even a drop. Seals absolutely perfect. I was detaching the pump and reattaching the pump once because I emptied and cleaned, or I mean replaced the water, and it didn't lose any water at all. Yeah, here again back same thing, that this is really the worst area, the worst stains or spots. Apart from that, really good. Here same thing with the pipes and the seals. They are in almost perfect condition. They were never leaking, even despite of the pressure of the pump, everything, not a drop, no, nothing, absolutely perfect. So yeah, I'm absolutely happy with that, and I think you can get easily another 1 or 2 years of lifetime. So maybe in total maybe 3 years or something like that, maybe even more, I don't know, but I would think that there will be at least 2 or 3 years in total lifetime, because there's so few change only over these 8 months. I mean, these are not damages, it's just bent to the other side, so absolutely no problem with that. I have also bought a lot of accessories like the seats and cup holder and the night light, and everything was working really good. And yeah, there was never an issue, no warranty issues, nothing. So, and I'm selling the whole package now for $150, which I think is quite reasonable, maybe a little bit below what had been possible to get if I kept it listed on Craigslist for some time, but I just wanted to get rid of it very quickly, and it went away pretty fast. And yeah, I think it's pretty fair. I mean, for me it was okay. So overall write-off, of course, was much more than 50%, but it's okay for me, and I'm happy that there will be a new owner, and I hope he will be happy as well with that. And yeah, I think, I mean, if you want to buy it new, it's a good thing. If you want to buy it used, it could be a good thing. Just make sure everything is really in working condition, everything clear and no damage. And yeah, that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have made your own experience with that, maybe different experience, would be really good if you could write to the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about the things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.